LG Style 3 with dual rear cameras, Snapdragon 845 SoC launched. Specifications, features. LG Style 3 has been unveiled as the company's latest smartphone in the Japanese market. The new smartphone seems to be a tweaked version of the LG V40 ThinQ that was launched back in October 2018. The LG Style 3 comes with a dual rear camera setup and includes a traditional display notch design. LG has also provided its OLED Full Vision display. Other key highlights of the LG Style 3 include an IP68 certified dust and water resistant build, dedicated Google Assistant button, and NFC support. The phone also doubles as a mobile wallet. LG Style 3 specifications, features. The LG Style 3 runs Android 10 and features a 6.1-inch QHD+, 1,440x3,120 pixels OLED display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone has an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, coupled with 4 GB of RAM. Additionally, the phone packs dual rear camera setup that houses a 48-megapixel primary sensor along with an f/1.8 lens and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/2.2 lens. Further, the phone has an 8-megapixel selfie camera at the front that has an f/1.9 lens. On the storage part, the LG Style 3 has 64 GB of onboard storage that is expandable via microSD card, up to 512 GB. Connectivity options on the phone include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 acres, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS, a GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is also a fingerprint sensor at the back. Besides, the smartphone packs a 3,500 mAh battery. LG Style 3 price, availability details. The LG Style 3 price and availability details haven't yet been revealed. However, Japanese network operator NTT Docomo has listed the phone to confirm its arrival in the country. Details about whether the phone is launching in global markets aren't provided, though. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.